Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. We have a difficult questions. A squared plus b squared plus c squared equal to 110. A, B, C are positive integers. Find the numbers group of A, B, C. This is only one questions, but find three unknown items. It is really difficult. In this video, we will share nice math skills step by step to find all of the numbers group. Would you please to find them? Pause the video and submit while you are ready. Keep watching the video to know the result. We have the given informations. A squared plus b squared plus c squared equal to 110. A, B, C are positive integers. The information is not enough to find the value, so I'm going to generate more useful informations. At first, take a look 110. 110 is an even numbers. If a squared plus b squared plus c squared become an even numbers, there may be a squared is an even numbers, b squared even numbers, and c squared is an even numbers. Or a squared is an even numbers, then the other two items, b squared and c squared is the odd numbers. Then let's verify each conditions. While the three items are all even numbers, let A equal to 2p, B equal to 2q, and C equal to 2r. P, Q, R are positive integers. Substitute A, B, C by 2p, 2q, and 2r to the given informations. Develop as 4p squared plus 4q squared plus 4r squared equal to 110. There are factor 4 in the left side of equations, but 110 cannot be divisible by 4. That means this is not the right conditions. So let's check the other conditions as 1 is even numbers and the other two items are odd numbers. Let A equal to 2p, B equal to 2q plus 1, and C equal to 2r plus 1. P, Q, R are integers and the positive value, and P not equal to 0, Q, R could be equal to 0. Substitute A, B, C by these three items to the given informations. Develop all the three quantity in the left side of equations. Match 2 to both sides of equations. We have a numbers 108 in the right side. 108 is divisible by 4, so divide by 4 to both sides of equation. Got p squared plus q squared plus q plus r squared plus r equal to 27. Adjust as p squared plus q times quantity q plus 1 plus r times quantity r plus 1 equal to 27. The next stage, I would like to find the value range due to q times quantity q plus 1 and r times quantity r plus 1 larger or equal to 0. Compare p squared and 27. We can get p squared less than 27, and q times quantity q plus 1 and r times quantity r plus 1 are all even numbers, and 27 is an odd numbers, so p should be an odd numbers. It is that p could be equal to 5, 3, and 1. Okay, let's check the value of p one by one. Where p equal to 5, the equation is 5 squared plus q times quantity q plus 1 plus r times quantity r plus 1 equal to 27. Q times quantity q plus 1 plus r times quantity r plus 1 equal to 2. Where q equal to 1, Then the equation is 1 times 2 plus r times quantity r plus 1 equal to 2. Easy to get r equal to 0. We find the first number group for PQR. While p equal to 5, there is no more solution for q or r larger than 1. While p equal to 3, we got 3 squared plus q times quantity q plus 1 plus r times quantity r plus 1 equal to 27. Simplify as q times quantity q plus 1 plus r times quantity r plus 1 equal to 18. Then q equal to 1, 1 times 2 plus r times quantity r plus 1 equal to 18. R times quantity r plus 1 equal to 16. No solution for r. While p equal to 3 and q equal to 2, get 2 times 3 plus r times r plus 1 equal to 18. R times quantity r plus 1 equal to 12. 3 times 4 equal to 12. It is that r equal to 3, q and r are same conditions, so q equal to 3, r equal to 2 is the right conditions. While p equal to 1, got 1 squared plus q times quantity q plus 1 plus r times quantity r plus 1 equal to 27. Q times quantity q plus 1 plus r times quantity r plus 1 equal to 26. If q equal to 1, then y times 2 plus r times quantity r plus 1 equal to 26. R times quantity r plus 1 equal to 24. No solution for r. While q equal to 2, 2 times 3 plus r times quantity r plus 1 equal to 26. R times quantity r plus 1 equal to 20. So 5 times 4 equal to 20. Got r equal to 4. It is the solution. While q equal to 3, 3 times 4 plus r times quantity r plus 1 equal to 26. R times quantity r plus 1 equal to 14. No solution for r. While q equal to 4, 4 times 5 plus r times quantity r plus 1 equal to 26. R times quantity r plus 1 equal to 6. 2 times 3 equal to 6. Got r equal to 2. It is the solution for PQR and the same as q equal to 2, r equal to 4. While q equal to 5, 5 times 6 plus r times r plus 1 equal to 26. R times r plus 1 become negative value. It's not the solution. Now we got the number group for PQR 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, and 5, 1, 0. From A equal to 2P, B equal to 2Q plus 1, C equal to 2R plus 1 to get the number group of ABC. They are 6, 5, 7, 2, 5, 9, and 10, 3, 1. That's all the number group we find. It means 6 squared plus 5 squared plus 7 squared equal to 36 plus 25 plus 49 equal to 110, or 2 squared plus 5 squared plus 9 squared equal to 4 plus 25 plus 81 equal to 110, and 10 squared plus 3 squared plus 1 squared equal to 100, plus 9 plus 1 equal to 110. Do you find them? Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.